see how the field distributions from the dipole antenna can be simulated using the CST, I'm going to take the same file where we have simulated earlier the electric field, surface current, and far field pattern. So this is our far field pattern, and here you can see our S11 is at 2.31 gigahertz. So I'm going to take this simulation file to show how the field distributions from the dipole can be simulated. So I have deleted all the results, and I'm going to delete these field mounters also. This simulation is just to see how the field distributions will be looking like. So for that, first of all, what I have to do is I have to extend this box so that we can see the field distribution at longer distances. So for that, what I'm going to do is in background, I'm going to extend the distance to 250 mm. So here you can see that the bounding box is extended, and now we are going to put the field monitors. So let's see how it is for the field monitors. First I just need the far field. So we have seen that the resonant frequency is 2.3. You can put 2.3. Okay, so click apply. Next, what I have to see is I have to see the electric field distribution. So the resonance frequency is 2.3, and what I have to use is the calculation domain and their calculation domain, but we have to see only on some cut planes. So I'm going to take the Y cut plane where we can see how the radiation pattern from the dipole is extending. So I am taking this 251 where we have extended. So if you click preview, oh sorry, it's not coming. Okay, so here it is came. So here you can see a blue, sorry, orange line. So that is the boundary. So it's selected this boundary. So click apply. So this boundary is selected, and if I have to get the circles, I have to select this boundary or this boundary. That means the Z plane. Z plane. So I'm going to select that Z cut plane also. So if you click preview, you can see this one is selected, and click apply. So you can see I have selected by cut plane where the radiation is happening, that is the figure of 8, and along is that the figure of circle. So now we have selected 3 field monitors, and you can close this window and you can start simulation. I hope it will complete quickly. Once the simulation is complete, you will be able to see the result in 2D, 3D, and the far field. So it is getting created. So just see the far field, and now our main interest is electric field. So if you click on the Y, so you can see this plane, and instead of arrow you can click on contour and click on animate field. You can see that how the field from the antenna is getting generated and getting extended. So if you want a more clear picture, you can extend the boundary length. Instead of 250, you can give 500 or something, and you can see how the radiation from the dipole is here. So our dipole is situated here. You can see how the fields are getting extended and the figure of 8 pattern is getting created here. Similarly, if you click on Z, so it is on the top, you can see how the field distribution is happening here. So here you can see how the fields are getting extended at the ends. So, so we have seen two cut planes. So this is how the field extended along the Z axis, and if you go here, you can see the Y extension. This is how the radiation from the dipole antenna is getting created. You can create these type of patterns and can be included in any projects or reports. I hope you get some idea how you can create the field distribution from any antenna. The one thing you have to consider is you have to always extend the bounding box so you can easily see the field distributions. Thank you.